Hi guys. Ooh, I look. Ugh. Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today you will be cooking with me. This is very alarming, seeing as I don't cook and the only person who cooks in this relationship is Kiki. So everyone sit here, 30 seconds, and pray with me. Okay, what I plan on cooking today is like salmon bites. Not necessarily know what exactly I am going to be cooking, but that's the idea. Salmon bites, broccoli, and rice. That is my goal. Hopefully nothing burned. I'm pretty good at not burning anything down, and I can follow instructions. So we should be fine here. Keyword is should, so let's just see what happens. So the first step that I did was order my groceries from Safeway. I didn't get much. I really just got like the meat and the rice and the broccoli because I wanted to make sure that I had those. So here is the order. We have the bag boiled rice, and then fresh Atlantic salmon, and then like the steamed fresh broccoli. That's literally all I needed. Oh, let's not look at where I live. But that is the basis of what I'm going to be buying, and then I will see you when I'm picking up groceries and then when I'm cooking. Okay, after a hot mess of trying to get the groceries and the payment to work out because whole different issues, I decided that I'm just going to get up and go to the grocery store and stop being lazy. So come with me to the grocery store. So the whole plan for today was avoid having to like go out in the open, seeing as I look crusty and dead, but you know, plans change. So I'm gonna go get some things from the grocery store. I might get more than what I had planned just because I'm running low on a couple of things. And yeah, I'll also need to get gas. The whole reason that I decided to go out and do all of this today is because I got paid today. So I was like, perfect timing, got bills paid, got everything worked out. So now I have enough for like groceries, gas, necessities. And I don't cook much, which needed to change because, you know, spending money on getting Chick-fil-A every week is not something I can do anymore, sadly. But yeah, we're just gonna see how it goes. I mean, I'm not a bad cook, but I'm not a great cook. So I will say that I have burned a couple of things. My absolute favorite meal ever is salmon and mashed potatoes with green beans. Now the thing is that it's only ever made for my anniversary, and today is technically our anniversary, or like our 9-month anniversary, but because we're in two different places, I totally and most definitely will not get any of that today. So I need to bake something similar but not too crazy. Oh yeah, I'm at my car. But basically, the reason I'm saying not too crazy because the last time I did try making the salmon and mashed potatoes by myself, ended up burnt. It tasted weird. I didn't necessarily like it. So this time we're gonna try to do something easier. So let's go to the grocery store. I got all the way to the grocery store and I realized that I'm 99% sure that all of my bags are still at the house. So I'm either going to have to carry everything or purchase bags. Which, honestly, I'm just going to purchase bags because I don't feel like carrying everything. So, let's go. Okay, groceries are secure. I got everything I needed plus a little bit more. if I wanted more, but the me from needing to go out and get Starbucks are just like little things like that. And so I got myself juice and sourdough bread, just because sourdough bread, I love sourdough bread, and I can eat it as like a little breakfast snack, or what I can eat for breakfast. And then I bought bags of rice because it's easier for me to boil rice that way. And then obviously the salmon and the broccoli that I'm using for the meal that I'm cooking today. And my plan for that meal is that meal needs to last me tomorrow and maybe even Sunday. It might not last me tomorrow, last me Sunday, but it should last me till tomorrow, because what I'm cooking should not use that much. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm gonna go run the rest of my stops. I need to get gas, and then I need to go to CVS and get some things. I'm running out of some like facial cleansers and things like that. I will see y'all back at home. I don't think I'm gonna film the rest of this, but I will see you when it's time for me to start cooking. Okay, hi guys, I'm back.
Hello. Oh. No, don't show me.
She's, open your legs.
That's what she said.
Oh my lord, she's right there. She's waiting. I am back. It's been a couple hours, but I'm going to start making my food. So I have the water in the pot to boil my bag of rice, and then I'm gonna start making the salmon. We'll see how that goes. That I was gonna make was salmon bites, but I had to find a different recipe to fit the things that I already had. So let me actually find that for you guys, because I feel like I literally just sent it to Kiki, but I'm not too sure. Guys, it's been a long day and I'm already ready to go to sleep, and sadly that hasn't happened yet. What about you, baby? Are you ready to go to sleep? Keandria Mache, you did not just meet yourself with your toe.
Why would I go to sleep?
I'm ready to go to bed because it's been a long day.
I thought you were going to eat.
I am. I already ate pizza, but I'm about to cook. He calls for 1 pound of fresh... Oh, you can't barely see me. The recipe calls for 1 pound of fresh salmon fillet, skin removed. I didn't get 1 pound. I think I got half a pound of salmon. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which I got olive oil. Then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then a teaspoon of onion powder. Onion powder. And then paprika. I don't have paprika. I do have... They said I got cayenne pepper instead, because my girlfriend doesn't cook without it, apparently. And then I have salt, and I have black pepper. And then it says lemon juice, but I don't have lemon juice, so I have a lime. And then it says a tablespoon of fresh parsley and chopped for garnish, but I don't need that. That's doing too much. Yeah. We're gonna start cooking soon. Or no, actually. And just pray that I don't burn anything down, because Kiki's really scared that I'm gonna burn the whole place down. And we've had an emotional day, so I promise I won't. The glare is ridiculous. I promise I won't kill anything or anyone. So, we're gonna start by cutting the salmon. Like I just told Kiki, I have no measuring utensils or anything because I forgot them all upstairs, and I don't feel like going back upstairs, so we're just gonna go like wing it and see how it goes. We're gonna start. It says 1 is cut salmon. Begin the salmon fillets into bite-sized pieces 1 to 2 inches. I can do that. I recently being yesterday, I learned how to cut a watermelon by watching YouTube. I feel like I can do this. And I cut the watermelon like good slices. Okay. So far, so good. thing I'm going to do, it says prepare the marinade, which is the olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, and then I mix well until it's all blended in. So that's what I'm going to do next. I have my bowl, and I'll just start adding everything in. Okay. It says it needs 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If I do 2 of these spoons, do you think it'll work? Okay, so the air fryer is preheating for 5 minutes at 400, and now I'm about to start on the rice. I've cooked bag rice before. I don't think it'll be hard. And then next thing I do have to do is heat up the broccoli. So I'm going to start cleaning up my area and doing that, and y'all can just sit here and watch me if you want. So, bye. I think I should give the camera a chance to talk to Kiki about how bad of a cook I am. Like, I personally don't think it's that bad, but she definitely is scared for her life when I am in the kitchen. So personally, I think it's just a her problem. I think it's her issue. I think I'm perfectly fine, and
I'm reading your lips.
You're smacking me in the camera.
You can turn off the camera.
No,
That is a feature.
You're smacking. Stop.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. So, Miss Sydney Elizabeth Ann Aubrey has had her ventures with cooking. And when I say ventures, she has made uncooked pancakes. She has burnt her own salmon that we made together. She cannot make mashed potatoes for crap. And I think the green beans she made taste like acid. She can make waffles though, and she's gotten better with making pancakes. That's all that I can venture for. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I pray that she doesn't poison herself, even though this was my idea for her to make this video. But that's it. That's all I gotta say. And please don't burn yourself, babe. I love you. Peace out.
now the rice is starting to boil. I'm going to put a 6-minute timer on the broccoli, and I will see you guys when everything is like fully cooked and ready to be plated. So, love you, see you soon. Okay, broccoli is out of the microwave. Rice is currently like here. Flip. Is currently bubbling and doing what it's supposed to do. And then salmon, it just cut off. I don't think it's done though. We'll have to do it one more time. But yeah. Okay, I have officially finished cooking, and this is how my food turned out. Oh my god, flip. So I think my food turned out really well. There's the salmon, there's the rice, chicken. It might be a tad bit undercooked, but I'm not sure. I have no idea. What do you think, baby? Why are you just looking like that? I think it looks fine.
There's no sauce?
No. Say that again.
You're eating dry salmon.
Yes.
Is it
It tastes fine.